The folks in Tulsa are going, well, I would have loved to send you some photos, but weather guy, well, I know, I'm so sorry. It did not happen right on top of us. The rain yesterday just kept staying rain. The temperature did not drop down. It was just maybe about a 3 or 4 degree temperature drop that we needed. It just didn't happen. Areas to the north, we did have snow, and to the south, obviously. Now, the interesting thing is this morning, our temperature is dropping. And so now we're, at 34, 35. The back edge of our storm system is rolling across the area, and we're seeing some very light precipitation that is underway. But boy, last night, we had some heavy precipitation. This was near the Henrietta vicinity. Sequoia Quinton, our tracker there. Check out all of that heavy snow that was on the roadway. It came down in such a, high intensity that it overcame the ground temperatures that were so warm. And I mean, the slush now, but last night, lots of snowpack on roadways and of course on the sides of the road. This is Von Caster's shot now. He is closer to Red Oak, in between Panola and Red Oak on 270. A couple of minutes ago, he had lots of snow near Hartshorn and Haleyville, and then just to the east of Panola, no snow. Closer to Red Oak, snow on the sides of the road, but the roadway itself is looking pretty good. So here's Tulsa. Areas to the south and east, areas to the north, that was snow that accumulated in anywhere between 2 to 6 inches of snow. McAllister 4, 6 around Chakota. Muskogee had a couple of inches, Tahlequah some, and the Boston Mountains all the way into the Latimer-LaFleur County area, some significant snows. Tulsa, no. We do have some snow flurry activity this morning in spots, and you can see those flakes that are coming down at Bartlesville right now. The roadway is wet here, and the slushy snow on the sides of the road, but the temperature right now is above freezing, so there's some good news, at least in that category. So our big storm system here, and we're on the back side of it, so this forcing has to move across the area. That's going to lift the atmosphere. So this will be some snow shower activity that we deal with, and that will be including the Tulsa Metro through about 10 o'clock, then it should go away. Lunch hour today would be at 39. Some clouds this afternoon, lower 40s, be in the 30s tonight, and then 20s tomorrow morning. Our next storm system is a cold front Saturday night and early Sunday. That's an Arctic air mass. Now, the Arctic air mass, of course, is going to bring cold weather, but it's different than a normal cold front because the Arctic air is very shallow. So if you go a couple of thousand feet above it, it's warm. Typically, that pattern can support mixed precipitation and freezing rain or icing issues. So when we get into Monday night and Tuesday, we may be dealing with some of that. So file that away. We'll keep you posted. 25 mile per hour top end wind speeds today. It's pretty light wind now, but the anticipation is it'll get a little brisk in the afternoon. South winds Friday, stronger winds Saturday at 20 to 30 miles per hour ahead of that front. And that's going to bring that blustery, colder weather, we think, for all of next week. So it's pretty cold right now, but above freezing for most of us, which is good because we have a lot of wet roads around the metro. In some spots, yes, it is now below freezing in Pawnee and Oklahoma City, basically. The far northern areas today, temperatures will be about 40. The southern areas, upper 30s and lower 40s also in McAllister and the Tulsa area. Temperatures tomorrow morning will start in the 20s. Thankfully, we think a lot of the roadways will dry out this afternoon with the wind picking up, but we want to give you a little heads up tomorrow morning, especially in the southern and eastern areas. We'll need to watch for some slick spots. So this morning, some sprinkles and flurries. It'll be near the metro. It'll move out pretty quickly. And then the warming trend Friday and Saturday and Arctic air early next week.